Hi everyone, this is Nathan, and today's video is we're going to be turning this drywall into one-side paperless drywall. When I touch it, you can see it's messy. I'm going to show you how I did that and ways you can use it drywall for your layout. So let's get started. Before we get into drywall, here's some things I actually use drywall for. This is drywall right here. I had to use a pocket knife to do that, to scrape any paper off, and right here, so basically anything white. And I did this as well. That trolley is a stamp that I glued on, and this is also drywall. There's two items you need to do drywall. One, a sand grinder, and two, drywall. And the number 3 I'll add is you have to do it outside because it's very messy when you do it. So you had your drywall shaved down to the drywall with no paper left over. And I think this is the part I like the most in the shaving it, the paper off thing, is that you can actually cut this to any size you want and use it for roads, or concrete as signal holders, or anything you can think of as concrete. But here's what I'm going to use it for, and then you could maybe try this at home if you want. Now the way you cut drywall, you need one of these knives. You can use any pocket knife, but what I do is you simply press slightly or press hard. A good advice I use is don't push the blade too hard or it'll slip and you won't get a smooth cut. So I would press in the middle between light and hard, and that will get a good cut. And here's the result after this. This is what I'm going to use for drywall for the platforms. So I think it's pretty easy and pretty straightforward. All you need to do is do the sand grinding until the paper's off. It kind of does it kind of fast, kind of slow to get the paper off, but it's well worth it at the end. And as you can see, there's a big difference between this line and you can't see a line because all the paper's gone. But yeah, now drywall is cheap, and the thing I must warn you before doing a project like this is that it's very messy when you sand it down. And yeah, this is Nate Delay saying goodbye and have a very awesome day. I hope this video was helpful to use how to use drywall.